Over a decade's worth of NASA and ESA Hubble Space Telescope data was used to re-examine the long-held prediction that the Milky Way galaxy will collide with the Andromeda galaxy in about 4.5 billion years. The astronomers found that, based on the latest observational data from Hubble as well as the Gaia Space Telescope, there is only a 50-50 chance of the two galaxies colliding within the next 10 billion years. This is according to a new study, published in Nature Astronomy. The study also found that the presence of the Large Magellanic Cloud can affect the trajectory of the Milky Way and make the collision less likely. The researchers emphasized that predicting the long-term future of galaxy interactions is highly uncertain, but the new findings challenge the previous consensus and suggest the fate of the Milky Way remains an open question. Astronomers considered 22 different variables that could affect the potential collision between our galaxy and our neighbor, and ran 100,000 simulations called Monte Carlo simulations stretching to 10 billion years into the future. In about half of the simulations, the two main galaxies fly past each other separated by around 500,000 light-years or less, 5 times the Milky Way's diameter. They move outward but then come back and eventually merge in the far future. The gradual decay of the orbit is caused by a process called dynamical friction between the vast dark matter halos that surround each galaxy at the beginning. In most of the other cases, the galaxies don't even come close enough for dynamical friction to work effectively. In this case, the two galaxies can continue their orbital waltz for a very long time. The new result also still leaves a small chance of around 2% for a head-on collision between the galaxies in only 4 to 5 billion years. Considering that the warming sun makes Earth uninhabitable in roughly 1 billion years, and the sun itself will likely burn out in 5 billion years, a collision with Andromeda is the least of our cosmic worries. You will find more about this discovery within our article, still on our Scientify Cult website. The link may be found in the description, along with the photo credits.